Alright, I've raised the sculpting stand so I can work on his spurs that I'm going to put on his boots. And I'm going to do those out of monster clay. But I'll be right back. I've got to figure out how I'm going to do this. Make them both exactly the same on each boot. And yeah, I'll be right back. All right, I'm making a pattern using a piece of monster clay that I've put through the pasta machine to flatten it out. And I'm just going to I've got to make both spurs exactly the same. And I've got a piece of cardboard from a box that I have, and I'm going to use this for the pattern. And I just got to work this out. All right, here's my pattern. And now it's just a matter of cutting that out. All right, I ran the monster clay through my pasta machine again. Have I mentioned how useful a pasta machine is? And how useful a X-Acto knife is. Now I've got to figure out how to make the rowels of the spur. That's the part that goes jingle, jangle, jingle. I've got to figure out how to make those look like the what they're supposed to look like. I've made spurs before. I actually made them for a life-size sculpture a long time ago. It's never easy when you're making them from scratch. But it's a challenge, like everything when you're sculpting. You've got to figure out how to make things look like what they aren't. Now, a little longer than it's supposed to. Okay, now I just got to place it on the boot where I'm going to have it. Okay, get on. That doesn't look too bad. Well, now they're both the same size. And I'll put the leather part on. There. Now I just need to do the rest of the rigmarole for the spurs, but I think that looks pretty darn good. All right. They look proportional to the size of the character that I'm doing. And it really turned out pretty darn good. Now, after I get everything put together, of course, I'll paint all this to look like clay. But I'm rather satisfied with all that. It took most of today, in fact, almost all of today, just to do this. But it turned out good. Yeah. All right, now let's get these straps on. And I'm looking at my screen here. I've got a pair of spurs that I'm looking at. And I'm just looking at the straps, how they're hooked up to the spurs themselves. Okay, I've got the straps cut out. Now, I gotta have some loops that they go through on the leather, and I just gotta work those out. Okay, this is how they attach to the spur. And I gotta round out that a little bit. we go. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and paint this. First, I'm going to stir up my paint a little bit. Make it look like the rest of the clay. The Spurs came out amazing, and it really finishes off the boots nicely. All right, that's the Spurs, and I'm glad I put those on today. I put off doing the Spurs for quite a while because I just couldn't figure out how I was going to do the rowels, but that worked out pretty good. All right, everybody, that's going to have to do it for tonight. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.